Hi guys, let's discuss levers. What do we have here? PM tuning. Adjustable levers. Okay. Let's see the original ones. That's the clutch side. It is, yeah, 2 fingers. They're good, in my opinion. I like them. The only disadvantage, you cannot adjust the cable. Let's check the other side. I have to switch the camera hand. Yeah, if you do it like a motorbiker, you have always 2 fingers on a brake. It's fine. The distance here, that's needed for the 2-finger system. Hard brake point. Yo, why not? Here we have the zip levers. I really like them. The shape is nice, and there is an adjustment screw where you can pull out the cable. So the big advantage is, while driving, you can adjust the clutch point. Very handy. 2-finger system does not work here. I do it with 4 fingers. I always drive like this because it is highly recommended that you always have the fingers on the clutch. In case something happens with the engine and you want to size, you can save the cylinder by pulling the clutch and pulling the choke and full throttle. You see that in another guide of mine. It's like this. Seven, 8, and you see distance here gets bigger because the cable gets more loose. And this side. 6, 7, 8, and it's less. And it's the same with the front brake. Nice shape. You can have a 2-finger system, and you adjust brake points with this lever here. You want to have it softer, then you loosen it. You see? You want to have it harder, then you pull the cable. Two-finger system, 1, 2, 1, 2. Always have fingers on the brake. I have similar ones at my Triumph. You can adjust the ankle of the lever with this small thingy here, you see. You don't change the cable, no. You just change the ankle of this lever compared to the handlebar. Look at it. Let's mount the new levers. You need an 8 and a big screwdriver. Take care if you pull it out, or take care when you pull it out. There are 1, 2, 3 washers. There are 4 washers in total. On top, a normal washer and a wave washer. And at the bottom, 2 more. And watch out, one of the 4 has a smaller inner diameter So it can only sit, 1 second, can only sit at the bottom because it doesn't slide up to the head of the screw. For washers, the screw and the screw nut. Use a little bit grease so that the washers stick. We shall start with 2 at the top. It's always big fun. So, and we need the other 2 at the bottom. Wrong finger. They will fall down. You just glue it here. So the better solution is to put them in here. Some grease first. Oops. 2 washers, glue them together with grease and put them here. Center them with a screwdriver or so. Also center these. And now try putting them in and hope that everything stays in place. I really hate this work. And something is in. Use the screwdriver again. So it looks, ooh, that's a lot of tolerance. There we go. We have the screw nut, put it at the bottom. Yeah. Oh, getting there, getting there. Now the screw appears at the bottom. Put the nut there. So, go a little bit back. That's a lot of tolerance. Ay, ay, ay. And tighten the screw. What is going on here? Away. How about good old rasp? CNC machine. Wait. There we go. Ah, not yet. CNC machine. And you still need a rasp. Good old rasp. It is kind of embarrassing, isn't it? Clutch cable is not tightened yet, not fixed yet, so of course the lever is loose. What we can measure now is how much there's a bit of tolerance to the outside, how much we can change the lever position. We have here 50. And at position 1, it's 40. So between 1 and 6, there are 10 millimeters difference. Disc brake, Millennium 2011. There is also a new lever for it, like this. We need a tenor at the bottom, and a big screwdriver on the top. No. Is there a problem with the brake fluid? I'm gonna exchange it anyways, so I don't care. We can pull out this small piston without any problem. We just get rid of the screw nut. And now let's get out the big screw here. Take out, of course, sorry guys. You see it jumps out. It does not jump out. On the right side with the lever for the disc brake, we do have 2 washers, one at the bottom, one on top. No wave washer. Also use some grease. They should fit. Let's see. They do. Very well done. Put some grease at the bottom. Put the washer in. Put some grease on top. The washers hold due to the grease. Now push the piston in. Put the lever in and the screw. We're good to go. First we have to put in the screw. tenner. And this is position 1. Let's measure the difference between 1 and 6. Around here. Like this. 46.5. $52.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?